Hi folks, I'm Jeff and you're watching Jeff's Computer Bits. Today I'll be giving you a rundown and unboxing of the Signify wildlife camera. I picked this up for approximately 150 Australian dollars in March 2024. This product is designed for scouting and surveillance. On the front we've got a feature list. It says 1080p full HD recording, 20 megapixel image resolution, micro SD card input with included 8GB micro SD card, built-in rechargeable battery, infrared vision and water resistant IP66. On the back we've got some more features that it's written. Built-in microphone, 26 infrared LEDs for night shots up to 20 meters range, color images at day, black and white images at night, up to 90 degrees lens angle, 2-inch TFT-LCD color display, triggering distance up to 20 meters, triggering time less than 0.3 seconds. So the contents of the box: one wildlife camera, one USB-A to USB charging cable, one mounting strap, one 8GB micro SD card with adapter, one camera mount with hardware, one instruction manual, and one warranty certificate. And the warranty for this product is 1 year. Warranty certificate. Manual. So we've got in this little box, we've got a strap and a USB-A to USB-C cable. We've got some bits and bobs, some bolts and a plate of some sort. And at the bottom of the box we've got a micro SD card, 8GB, and a micro SD to SD adapter. And here is the product. So as you can see, it's got a camouflage makeup to it, and it's got a protector for the lens. We'll take that off. Take that off. Take this off first. So that's the protector for the infrared LEDs, and take that off. That's the protector for the sensor, I believe. And finally, the protector for the camera. So it's quite nicely designed. It looks very rugged. At the back we've got two clips that open the interface for the camera. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 battery slot. So if I put some batteries in it, I'll put some batteries in it. These are AA batteries, so it's 4 AA batteries. 1, 2, 3, and last, here we go. So we've got the 4 batteries in there. Like I said, it's got a built-in battery, a rechargeable battery, and it's also got a solar panel, so it's got 3 modes of powering the unit. So As you can see, batteries, screen, close that and it'll snap tight. And there you have it, the Signify wildlife camera with solar panel. I'll be doing a review of this shortly, so if you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks a lot. See you next time.